Well, this is my new kitten. It's a Bengal. His name is Snowy Spots Blizzard. He's a snow Bengal, which means his fur will be kind of vanilla colored, and then his spots, when he gets older, will be dark. He's got like seal points. Just has arrived home. This is Snowy Blizzard, the snow Bengal. First night home. Well, I got a new Bengal kitten. His name is Snowy Spots Blizzard. As you can see, he's the lighter color, and obviously he's camera shy at this point, but he's got blue eyes. I guess I'll have to get him another day. Thanks.